The Barbecue and Blues Fest forecast for tonight. If you're coming out here, you might just want to take a sweatshirt along and leave it in the car and go back and get it. After dark, the temperatures are going to drop off into the 60s, so some of us would consider that cool. Let's talk about precipitation so far this year. We're doing better than last year. Last year at this point, we were running a deficit, but this year we're running a little bit of a surplus now, and that is certainly good news. All right, the next 24 hours, boy, talk about delightful May weather, and it is going to continue into the second full day of May with temperatures in the morning a little cool. By the afternoon, we're looking at temperatures in the upper 70s, close to 80 degrees. Our Midtown camera tonight, clear skies as far as the eye can see. And you'll notice on our current conditions that the winds are light, the temperatures are delightful, and the humidity is very, very comfortable. Across the region, the temperatures are about the same. We're looking all at green country being generally in the mid to upper 70s. And if we take a look at our surface map for tomorrow, well, more of the same. No matter where you're traveling across the central portion of the country, you've got some great weather. A few showers up to the north and west, but you got to go all the way up to Nebraska, western Kansas. Nothing here in northeast Oklahoma, maybe a few clouds. But next Wednesday, take a look at future track for next Wednesday. That is a soaking rainfall that moves in. We might be talking 1 to 2 inches of rainfall by this time next week. Here's the forecast for tonight. Another cool night, clear night, calm winds, 53 for the overnight low. Across green country, you will note some 40s showing up in the forecast. We'll see some overnight lows in the mid-40s, even up around Bartlesville and out toward Tahlequah. Tomorrow, look for a UV index of 5 because we're talking about some cloud cover coming in. So we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy. High temperature right around 80 degrees. Green country across the region, we're looking at mainly, I think, for the most part, a little east to west temperature difference, a little cooler out to the east, around 80 in Tulsa, a little warmer out to the west. 7-day forecast. Oh, it's nice again on Sunday. It does get windier on Sunday with high temperatures reaching the middle 80s. Monday's also windy. Tuesday, windy, and then Wednesday we introduce that chance of rain. Right now, I don't see any severe weather because I think it's raining in the morning. It rains all day long. Thursday, Friday, we'll have to wait and see if we get more data in before we start talking about severe weather and trying to scare anyone. There's no real threat at this point for Wednesday.